Hello, kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Yes, I am Ruhin ma'am, your science teacher of second standard. So, in last video, we have done bridge course question answers, and today we are going to continue with it. So, let's go ahead with a beautiful thought. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So here the thought is saying that कोई भी नॉलेज मीन्स कि हमारा जो एजुकेशन है या फिर कोई भी चीज़ के बारे में नॉलेज है, तो अगर उसमें हम वो चीज़ अगर हम ग्रैब करने की कोशिश करेंगे देन इट विल बी द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट. हम अपना टाइम है वो एजुकेशन में और कोई नई स्किल्स है, नॉलेज है, उसमें लर्न करने में इन्वेस्ट करेंगे, देन वी विल गेट द बेस्ट इंटरेस्ट, उसका बेस्ट रिजल्ट आएगा. बिकॉज वी विल बी एबल टू get the result of that education in future. Why? Because we can use that knowledge, education for teaching others how to apply or do anything. So we should always invest our time, our energy and our money in knowledge, in grabbing knowledge or getting education, so that we get best results, best interest from that in future. So this thought is given by Benjamin Franklin. Then in last video we have learned this already, healthy habits. So today also we will go ahead with the healthy habits. First was eat healthy food. First and foremost, most important, we should eat healthy food. Then drink plenty of water. We should drink more and more water so we get water in our body, because our body needs plenty of water. Limit television and computer use. We should not use computer, television, mobile phones for whole day. We should have control over it. हमें ज़्यादा use अगर हम करेंगे then it will affect our body, our eyes will get damaged and etc. So we should avoid using it for whole day. Then be active for at least 1 hour a day. We should do exercise, we should do running, jumping, etc. So we get energy and our food gets digest. Clean your teeth at least twice a day. कभी कभी क्या करते हैं, इफ़ वी डोंट वांट टू डू द ब्रशिंग, हम लोग ब्रश नहीं करते, ऐसे ही अपना खाना खा लेते हैं. बट नो, वी शुड ब्रश अवर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. हमें 2 बार दिन में ब्रश करना चाहिए. Then be kind to yourself and others. We should always be kind to our elders, our parents, our teachers and everyone who are around us. And we should also be kind to ourselves. So we will be a good person. Get plenty of sleep. We should get sleep how much we need. जितना हमें सोना चाहिए उतनी sleep लेनी चाहिए. We should not waste our time in using mobile phones. Then wash your hands. Yes, wash your hands again and again, because many germs come and sit in our hands, and if we eat without washing our hands we will get germs into our mouth. Find time to relax. Yes, we should relax when we get the time. Eat junk food and sweets only occasionally. We should only eat junk food or any sweets occasionally, not every day. Have a bath or shower every day. We should have bath, shower, so that our body is clean. Then work and play safely. We should always be safe at any place so that we don't get hurt. So your healthy habits gets over, and I hope you have started to apply that healthy habits in your life. Yes. Then in today's video we are going to do, as you know, bridge course assignment in of science, and we are going to continue with the next question. So let's start. Before that we will do, as usual, we will do some activity. What can they give us? So these are the animals and the things they give us. Okay, so first is sheep. So do you know what does sheep give us? Do you know, children? Yes, sheep give us wool. So can you find where is the wool? Yes, it is fourth one. Then next is cow. Cow give us honey? No. Eggs? No, no, no. Cow give us milk. Then comes hen. Hen will give us honey? No. Hen give us eggs. Then comes honeybee. Okay, so what does honeybee give us? Does honeybee give us anything? क्या honeybee हमको कुछ दे सकती है? Can you find it from here? Yes, here honeybee give us honey. Do you eat honey? Honey is a very healthy food. We should take honey every day with milk or any other thing. Honey is also a healthy food. It is very sweet in taste, and it is made by honeybees. So next is buffalo. So the last option is there. Yes, we get meat from buffalo. So let's revise it again. Sheep give us wool. Cow give us milk. Hen give us eggs. We eat eggs in our breakfast. Yes, do you like eggs? Next is honeybee give us honey. Then comes buffalo. Buffalo give us meat. Buffalo also give us milk. Do you know, children? It also give us milk. Okay, now we will go ahead with the next activity. Animals around us. Okay, so there are many animals who roam around your houses, and they also come to your houses. For example, cat, dog. So they all are domestic animals or pet animals. Okay, wild animals don't roam here and there. हाँ, animals जो wild होते हैं वो यहाँ पे नहीं होते. They are in forest, but domestic animals and pet animals can come to your house. They are around you. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. So यहाँ पे आपको 3 FBs दी हुई है, आपको वो FBs को fill up करना है, and there is also options भी है आपके पास. So first is dash animals can be kept at homes, wild or domestic. Okay, do you know what is wild animals and what is domestic animals? Wild animals are those who live in jungle. Yes, for example, lion, tiger, fox, etc. And domestic animals are cow, buffalo, goat, etc. So what will be the answer? Do you know the answer? Wild animal or domestic animal? The answer is domestic animals. Domestic animals can be kept at homes. Yes, you can keep domestic animals at your homes. Yes. Some might be having pet animals with you. Yes, some might be having domestic animals, for example cow, buffalo and etc. किसी के घर पे होती है buffalo, cow होती है goat, so they can get milk from them. Then next is dash is used to make saris. Okay, so options are leather and silk. So leather is used to make saris? No. Silk is used to make saris. So the answer is silk. Do you know where we get silk from? Where do we get silk from? We get silk from silkworms. Silkworms में से हमें silk मिलता है and then we make silk sari. Okay? Number 3. We get dash from hen. Okay, what does hen give us? Eggs or milk? What does hen give us? Eggs or milk? We get dash from hen. So the answer is eggs. Okay, children. So you have to copy this FBs in your rough book. So write down fast and I am waiting for you. So you can copy this FB in your rough book. Okay, now question number 2. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Which of these is not milk products? So you have to choose the correct answer. There are 4 options and you have to choose the correct answer. Okay. So which of these is not a milk product? Milk product means कि जो चीज़ें milk में से नहीं बनी होती है. Do you like milk? Yes. Then do you know that milk में से कितने सारे products बनते हैं? So क्या आप बता सकते हो कौन सा प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनता है? ऑप्शंस आर हनी, घी, कर्ड एंड चीज. सो द आंसर विल बी honey. Okay, so honey is the right answer. So other options are made from milk products: ghee, curd, cheese, butter and etc. All these things are made from milk. Then comes, which of these animals cannot be kept at home? कौन से एनिमल्स है जो आप घर पे नहीं रख सकते? तो इसमें ऑप्शंस है कैट, फॉक्स, डॉग, टाइगर. ओके, दोज एनिमल्स विच यू कीप एट होम, जो आप घर पे रखते हो ना, वो एनिमल्स को हम क्या बोलेंगे? दे आर कॉल्ड पेट एनिमल्स. ओके, सो योर ऑप्शंस आर देयर. अभी आप बताओ कौन से एनिमल्स है जिसको आप घर पे नहीं रख सकते, विच यू कांट कीप एट योर होम? कैट? नो, वी कैन कीप कैट एट अवर होम. फॉक्स? यस, we can't keep fox at our home. Then comes dog and tiger. So we can't keep tiger as a pet. No, tiger को हम घर पे नहीं रख सकते pet की तरह. No. So the answer is fox and tiger. Okay. Okay, students, you have to note this. Choose the correct answer in your rough book. So I am waiting for you. Okay, so write it down in your book fast. Okay, now we will go ahead with the next question. So this question is from your bridge course assignment. Rearrange the letters to form correct words with the help of clues. So here some clues are given and you have to make a word and rearrange the letters which are given here. So in that, first is CEI and the clue is I am formed when water freezes. So can you tell what is the answer? I am formed when water freezes. जब water freeze हो जाता है, जम जाता है, तभी ये चीज़ बनती है जो आपके घर पे भी अवेलेबल है. You can eat that, you can take that and put it in your drinks and cold drinks. Do you know the answer? It is very cold and you can add it to your drinks. So the answer is ice. I-C-E. Ice. So the answer is I-C-E. Ice. Ice होती है, वाटर फॉर्म में होती है. उसको आप अगर फ्रीज करोगे फ्रीजर में, then it will become ice. So you can add that in your cold drinks. Okay. The next question is number 2. L-U-C-O-D. L-U-C-O-D. Okay, can you guess it without reading the clue? No? So let's go ahead with the clue. I am formed by water drops. मीन्स कि ये जो है वो वाटर ड्रॉप्स से बनता है. कैन यू टेल द आंसर? ये जो ऑप्शंस है ना, जो आंसर है ना, दैट आंसर दैट गिव्स यू रेन. रेन वहाँ से आती है. सो द आंसर इज क्लाउड. C-L-O-U-D. क्लाउड. C-L-O-U-D. cloud. Okay, so cloud give us rain. पर लेकिन क्लाउड है वो किससे फॉर्म होता है? फ्रॉम वाटर ड्रॉप्स. वाटर ड्रॉप से ही क्लाउड्स फॉर्म होते हैं. उसके बाद जो वाटर रेन है वो ग्राउंड पे गिरता है. सो दैट इज क्लाउड. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज UN. What is the answer? What is this? How can you form this? Can you form this answer? USN. So let's read the clue first. I heat water in pond, river, etc. Means ये जो pond और river है ना, वहाँ पे इसकी वजह से heat आती है. And you can also get heat from them, from that. So can you tell from where do we get heat, natural heat? Can you tell me the answer? Yes, the answer is sun. S-U-N. sun. S-U-N. sun. सो सन से हमें क्या मिलती है? हीट मिलती है. सनलाइट की वजह से हमें हीट मिलती है. एंड रिवर, पॉन्ड्स गेट हीट. सो द आंसर इज सन. ओके, सो वी विल रिवाइज इट अगेन. सो फर्स्ट इज CEI. I am formed when water freezes. So it is formed when water gets freeze. Water है वो जम जाता है तभी ये चीज़ बनती है. So the answer is ice. Then comes LUCOD. I am formed by water drops. Water drops जो होते हैं उससे ये बनता है. So that is cloud. 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 क्लाउड आते हैं ना तभी हमें अच्छा लगता है, बिकॉज इट विल गिव अस रेन. एंड जो हीट, सनलाइट की जो हीट होती है वो चली जाती है. सो दैट वी कैन फील कोल्ड एंड वी विल बी हैप्पी बाय द रेन. नंबर 3, USN. I heat water in pond, river, etc. So the answer is sun. 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 सन अगर हीट देता है, सनलाइट, अगर सनलाइट से हमें गर्मी होती है, वी फील हॉट. बट इट इज़ ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. क्यों? बिकॉज सनलाइट की वजह से क्या होता है, प्लांट्स है वो अपना फूड बना सकते हैं. वी कैन गेट हीट, हमें भी गर्मी मिलती है. सो सनलाइट इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. सो ऐसा नहीं कि सन हीट देता है तो दैट इज नॉट गुड. नो, सनलाइट इज ऑल्सो गुड फॉर एवरी लिविंग थिंग. सो आंसर इज SUN, सन. सन है वो हमारे लिए सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Okay, so students, you have to copy it down in your rough book. ये आपकी रफ बुक में आपको कॉपी करना है. So I will wait for you and you have to write it down in your rough book fast. Okay? Okay, we will continue with the next question. So next is match the following. In that first is igloo. So here there are 3 questions and three pictures are given and you have to match the correct answer. Okay, in that first is igloos. IGLOOS, igloos. सो कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज़ द आंसर. इग्लूज मतलब क्या होता है पता है? इग्लूज है वो स्नो जहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा स्नोफॉल होती है ना, वहाँ पे बनाया जाता है. इट इज़ होम फॉर द वन हु लिव देयर. जो लोग वहाँ पे रहते हैं उनके लिए घर होता है. दे मेक दिस इग्लू फ्रॉम आइस में से बनाते हैं. जहाँ जो वहाँ पे स्नोफॉल होता है ना, उससे ही वो वहाँ पे इग्लूज बनाते हैं और दे लिव इन दैट. इग्लूज के अंदर वो लोग रहते हैं. सो हियर फ्रॉम द पिक्चर द सेकेंड पिक्चर इज इग्लू. यस, सो हियर यू कैन सी इग्लू कैसा होता है. ऊपर से डॉम शेप का होता है एंड देन छोटा होल होता है जहाँ से आप अंदर जा सकते हो. ओके, इन दैट यू विल फील वेरी वार्म. देन नंबर 2 हाउस बोट. ओके, तो ये जो वर्ड है उससे आपको पता चल जाएगा कि व्हाट इज़ द आंसर. हाउस इट मीन्स घर एंड बोट. सो हाउस बोट मीन्स द हाउस विच इज़ इन द बोट. सो द आंसर इज थर्ड पिक्चर. देन थर्ड टेंट. ओके, टेंट है वो क्या क्यों बनाते. कभी हम घूमने जाते हैं या फिर फॉरेस्ट में, हिल स्टेशन कहीं पे भी, तो देयर वी कैन मेक टेंट फ्रॉम एनी क्लॉथ या कपड़ा, कोई भी चीज़ यूज़ करके हम लोग टेंट बना सकते हैं. सो दैट हम लोग वहाँ पे थोड़े टाइम के लिए रह सके. और वाइल्ड एनिमल्स है या फिर कोई हीट कोल्ड वेदर है तो हमको प्रोटेक्शन मिले. सो द आंसर इज फर्स्ट पिक्चर टेंट. सो वी विल रिपीट इट. फर्स्ट इज इग्लू. इग्लू इज सेकेंड पिक्चर. इट इज मेड अप ऑफ स्नो. देन इज हाउस बोट. हाउस बोट इज द हाउस विच इज ऑन द बोट. जो पानी में हाउस होता है, बोट के अंदर हाउस होता है. देन कम्स टेंट. टेंट इज मेड अप ऑफ क्लॉथ और लेदर क्लॉथ इन विच वी कैन लिव inside. Okay, we will do quick revision of this all the questions we have done. So first we have done the animals and what they give to us, and we have done the match and drawn the line. So in that first was sheep give us wool. Then comes cow give us milk. Then comes hen give us eggs. Then honeybee give us honey. Then buffalo give us meat. Buffalo also give us milk. Then FBs are there. So have you noted this down in your books? Yes. In that first answer was domestic animals can be kept at homes. Domestic animals को हम घर पे रख सकते हैं. Then comes silk. Silk is used to make साड़ी. सिल्क है वो साड़ी जो लेडीज़ पहनती है ना, बनाने में यूज़ होता है. देन नंबर 3 we get dash from hen. Eggs. We get eggs from hen. Then choose the correct answer. Which of these is not milk product? इसमें से कौन सा milk product नहीं है? Which is not a milk product? Okay. So answer is honey. Then others are milk products. Okay. Then which of these animal cannot be kept at home? Cat, fox, dog, tiger. So the answer is fox and tiger. Then rearrange the letters to form correct words with help of clues. So this question was from your bridge course assignment. Okay. In that first answer, first question, I am formed when water freezes. So the answer was ice. 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 Then number 2. I am formed by water drops. So the answer is clouds. Then number 3. I heat water in pond, river, etc. So the answer is sun. Sun gives us heat. Then there was match the following. In that first was igloo. Igloo is the second picture. Then comes houseboat. Houseboat is the third one. And then comes tent. Tent is the first picture. So I hope you all the students have enjoyed this video, watched the video. You have watched full videos, and if you have left behind and if you want to do the revision again, you can go back and revise and rewind this video so that you learn. Okay, so if you don't understand this, if you have not understood this, then you can go back and revise this video again and again. And if you want to write it down this in your rough book and you are left behind, you can go back and write it fast. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet you in our next video. Till that, thank you. Have a nice day.